Chris is getting crazy. She's gonna run up. Scene from Rocky. Climb the stairs. I'm Ray, and you're watching the Corndog Caravan channel. My wife Chris and I decided there's more to life than working and doing house projects. So we sold everything we own, built out a Ram ProMaster we call Lotus because others think it's stupid, and are traveling full-time seeing friends, family, and exploring the beautiful country around us, along with our 2 Boston Terriers.
Hey guys, we're at Indian Bread Rock Recreation Area in Arizona.
Guys, you ready for some rock climbing? We are. Let's do it. Hey, don't kick that rock down. So what we really love about this place, the road in is pretty smooth. The section we're working on right now, a little sandy, but pretty much every vehicle can get through. We saw a little 4-door, I think it was a Toyota, come through and stay at a spot out near us a couple of nights ago. But 14-day limit here. Dispersed camping, it means it's free. No electric, no water, no sewer, no cable, and really not many neighbors. There's only, I think, 15 spots in here. We got the one at the far end. Now, what we also really love is sunrises, sunsets, but if you like the first video of the night lapse I did, wait till you see the one we've got coming up next.
So like Ray said, we're in the very last spot, mainly because when we got here, it was all that was available. So back where we're at, we have a couple of things that's making it not my favorite actual spot. Number one, there's cows everywhere, which has been fun to watch, but there's cow patties everywhere. Also back where we're at, we have a lot of cactus and sticker bushes, and it's super rocky. So it hasn't been a great place for Brutus. So if you have pets, you'll probably want to park closer to the front.
Yeah, the picnic area had, what, about 4 to 5 grills, and then a couple of really good sized ones, a pit toilet, picnic tables. Pretty nice.
Yeah, the pit toilet.
I didn't go in.
I did. I did. I have a picture of it. We'll post it for you. It's okay. It's not the worst pit toilet I've ever seen, but it definitely wasn't clean. And in talking to the farmer whose cows are out here, apparently the closest BLM ranger is like an hour and a half away. So I don't think this area, it gets monitored, but I don't think it gets taken care of, cleaned up and things like that. So just know that. Don't count on the vault toilet.
Pack in, pack out.
Right. It's actually been pretty clean back here. It's been good.
Yeah, we didn't see any, but we heard coyotes big time our first night. Didn't hear any last night.
Last night, yeah.
But we are the day before Super Bowl of 2022. Weather's been perfect. It's been windy, but temperature-wise, it's been good. Little chilly last night.
Yep. It's getting down in the 30s in the overnight and in the morning.
No rain, no snow, so we're staying dry.
Lots of sunshine.
Lots of sunshine.
They
Good.
need rain though. We should probably pray for rain.
Rain seems to follow us, so maybe they'll get some.
Oh, hi, little guy. Oh, these are the ones from yesterday, babe. Hi.
Get along, little doggies. crawl up this and
We are?
have a snack under the rock.
Okay, we can do that.
We saw Dave and Irene after we got here. We looked. Yeah, we got here and looked it up, and this is where they were.
Are you sure?
So I think these are the holes
Yeah.
that they ground.
I bet.
What, juniper, corn, or whatever they could use for food or medicines.
We're sitting under a rock that could fall on us anytime. Okay.
Look, maybe this way. Indiana Jones.
Can I stand up?
Slowly. So we are now heading to another balancing rock. It's just crazy. Yeah, just a few things holding on. Thanks for watching.
We hope you enjoyed Indian Red Rocks as much as we did.
If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if it was helpful. Also, please comment below if you have any questions about the van build or suggestions about the future content as we build out this channel. Follow us along our journey on Facebook or Instagram using Corndog Caravan. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about our channel.